Collingsworth Street is in poor condition for approximately 90% of its length, with only the remaining 10% being in relatively good shape. Much of the roadway is riddled with potholes, cracks, surface divots, road repair patches, and other areas of deterioration. These ongoing conditions make the road rough and uneven to travel, while also raising concerns about vehicle damage and overall roadway safety. Before we take a deeper dive, did you know Collingsworth Street is part of Houston's historic North Side area and runs through neighborhoods that developed as Houston expanded northward in the early 20th century? Now, back to the road assessment. As you can see here, Collingsworth Street is relatively narrow, which can make driving conditions more challenging, particularly when vehicles are traveling in opposite directions or when parked automobiles on the side of the road reduce the available roadway. This means drivers may have less room to maneuver in the event of an emergency. The limited width may also make passing or navigating around obstacles more difficult, so drivers should use extra caution and adjust their speed to the conditions on Collingsworth Street. Additionally, drivers will see the presence of multiple skid marks on Collingsworth Street, which may indicate that a driver applied the brakes suddenly or forcefully, potentially in response to an unexpected hazard, another vehicle, a pedestrian, or other roadway conditions. The skid marks could also suggest a loss of control or an attempt to avoid a collision. Also, some of the skid marks on Collingsworth Street give the distinct impression of automobile burnouts. Moreover, the ditches along Collingsworth Street may present an additional hazard for some drivers, particularly during periods of heavy rainfall. Water can accumulate in or near the roadway and ditches, potentially reducing visibility and making it more difficult for drivers to judge the edge of the road. Wet conditions may also decrease traction and increase the risk of a vehicle sliding or leaving the roadway. For drivers who are unfamiliar with the area, the presence of deep or water-filled ditches could make a narrow road like Collingsworth Street more dangerous, especially when combined with the absence of a clearly defined road shoulder. Furthermore, low-hanging trees and vegetation growing along the edges of Collingsworth Street may create additional challenges for some drivers. Overhanging branches can reduce visibility, particularly around curves or approaching vehicles, while vegetation along the roadway can make the street feel narrower and obscure the edge of the pavement. There has been a history of several events on Collingsworth Street during periods of heavy rainfall and strong winds. Wet fallen branches and vegetation has fallen on the street, thus creating obstacles for drivers to maneuver around. Did you know Houston uses more concrete material to make streets than asphalt? Primarily because concrete performs better under the city's demanding conditions. As one of the nation's busiest freight and industrial centers, Houston experiences heavy truck traffic associated with the energy industry, shipping, and the Port of Houston. Concrete is more resistant than asphalt to rutting and deformation caused by repeated heavy loads, especially during Houston's long, hot summers when asphalt can soften. Although concrete is more expensive to install, it typically lasts much longer and requires less frequent major maintenance, making it a more cost-effective choice over the life of heavily traveled roads. Houston's expansive clay soils, which shrink during dry periods and swell when wet, also contribute to pavement challenges. But thick concrete pavements generally distribute traffic loads more effectively on these unstable soils. Also, the road islands along Collingsworth Street are intended to help organize traffic and improve safety by separating opposing lanes of travel and providing a designated area for drivers to navigate around. These islands can help reduce vehicle speeds, discourage unsafe passing or lane movements, and provide additional structure to the roadway. However, because they reduce the available driving space on an already narrow Collingsworth Street, motorists should remain attentive, maintain an appropriate speed, and use caution when approaching and traveling around the islands or between them. Please keep in mind that the camera used to capture footage of Collingsworth Street has a digital stabilization feature that helps reduce the effects of movement, vibration, and severe bumps while recording. As a result, some of the bumps and shaking experienced during the ride are minimized in the video. While the footage provides a clearer and more stable view, the stabilization feature may lessen the visual impression of how rough or uneven the ride actually was and will be for many drivers. Traffic congestion on Collingsworth Street at the I-69 interchange can become particularly chaotic during weekday rush hours, Monday through Friday. Increased traffic volumes during the morning and afternoon commute can result in slower moving traffic, longer wait times, and more frequent stops as vehicles enter and exit the interchange. The combination of commuter traffic and vehicles accessing I-69 may create additional delays and require drivers to remain alert, maintain adequate following distances, and exercise caution when navigating the area during peak travel periods. Drivers may notice that portions of Collingsworth Street transition between concrete and asphalt surfaces, which can create noticeable changes in the driving experience. Differences in pavement texture, elevation, and wear between the two surfaces may result in variations in traction and vehicle movement, particularly when traveling over the transition points. These changes may become more pronounced during wet weather or when the roadway is uneven.
Please keep in mind to check the trip channel before you travel to your next destination. The trip channel will help you plan smarter, safer routes. By checking the trip channel regularly, you can avoid rough or blocked roads, adjust your timing, and prepare for any challenges ahead. A few minutes of planning can save hours of frustration and help keep you and your passengers safe on every trip. Also, the trip channel isn't just for planning. It's also a great way to reconnect with streets you know and love, whether it's the route you took to school, the road to your favorite diner, or that scenic stretch you once drove at sunset. The trip channel lets you see what's changed and what stayed the same. Take a moment to reminisce and explore familiar paths from a fresh perspective. Sometimes the best trips are the ones down memory lane. And by the way, if there is a street that you want us to assess, please mention it in the comments section on this video. If you enjoy this video and find its content helpful, please hit the like button. We would appreciate it very much. Also, please don't forget to subscribe, comment, and hit the notification bell for more upcoming road assessments. If we haven't been in your town yet, we will be very soon. Thank you for watching the Trip Channel.